In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add social media icons to your GoDaddy website. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your website dashboard. Once you are inside your account, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website you want to edit. This will take you to the management area for that site. Next, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy website builder. When the editor loads, go to the page where you want your social media icons to appear. If you want them to show across the entire website, scroll down to the footer area, since that is a common place to display social links. Now click the section that already contains social media icons if one is available. If your page does not already have a social area, click Add Section and select the section that includes social links. This gives you a place to connect your social profiles directly on the page. After that, open the social media or social link settings for that section. Inside those settings, click Add Social Link. You will then be able to choose the platform you want to include, such as Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, or another available option. Once you select a platform, enter the full URL for your social media profile. Make sure the link is complete and accurate, so visitors are taken to the correct page. If you want to add more platforms, repeat the same process for each one. Add each social profile one at a time until your full set of icons is in place. If the GoDaddy editor gives you the option to reorder the icons, arrange them in the order you prefer. This can help you place your most important platforms first. After that, review the icons on the page and confirm that they look correct and match the social networks you added. Before publishing, click Preview to test the website. Check each icon carefully and make sure it opens the correct social media profile. This step is important because it helps you catch any incorrect or incomplete links before your visitors see them. When everything looks good, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. Your social media icons will then be visible to visitors, and they will be able to use them to connect with your social profiles directly from your site. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.